Hi, Corky. What's wrong? You look tired. You gonna move? Gotta look around. Hello. Gave you a little haircut. You look pretty nice around the eyes. I still gotta finish. Corky. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. No, nobody. No. No. Stop it. Look. Good boy. Okay, you can stop licking me now. When you're done. Oh, let's see your teeth. Alright, here comes Samantha. Here comes Mommy. Let's see if we can get her in the video. See you next time. Doggy. At least she's getting over that biting habit. Alright. Corky. Say goodbye.